How to change Apple Cache age requirement. Go to your iPhone or iPad's homepage screen and find the Wallet app. It usually has a white background with a picture of a colorful wallet. Within the Wallet app, locate your Apple Cache card. It's usually represented by a card labeled Apple Cache or your name if you have customized it. Tap on your Apple Cache card to open it. Scroll down and select Verify Identity. Tap on the Continue button. Enter your first and last name, then tap Next. Enter your street address and zip code, then tap Next. Enter the last four digits of your social security number and your date of birth. Submit the information by tapping Next. That's how you can change your Apple Cache age requirement. Thanks for watching.